What's up guys, welcome to Blake's Garage. Got a quick unboxing of a package that these guys sent out to me. Insta360. So this is like a 360 action cam. And I'm excited to try this out on the M4 or really any of my cars. Ooh, hell yeah. So I'll show you guys what this particular kit came with. I'm not gonna say each one of these items is in an individual purchase. I'm sure it is. But we got the little suction cup mount, which is always good. I love suction cup mounts for car stuff. Ooh, nice. Extended carbon fiber selfie stick. Let's open this thing up. Quality of this looks like. Oh yeah, that's a pretty sweet little weave we got going on here. I like that, okay. Oh my god. Look at this thing. This is huge. I think it goes even longer. Oh my gosh. Wow. So this goes 9.8 feet, which is pretty insane. So that's a pretty rad selfie stick. Nice and lightweight and carbon fiber, so we can't beat that, right? 14 inches compact. Very cool. It's got a little nub on the end. Is this just a 1/4-20? Yeah, great. So a little 1/4-20 knob on the end here. No big deal. They got a little rubber guy that it comes with so you can poke people. I'll leave a link down to this below in the video description so you guys can check it out and check out all the goods. And then in a little bit here, we'll switch over to some 360 footage and see how it looks, kind of check out the sharpness and all that. 5.7K 360 degree capture, 4K wide angle capture, flow state stabilizer, waterproof up to 5 meters, invisible selfie stick. That's like, if you've seen when people are walking around with the 360 cam and then all of a sudden like you see, you're like, how are they doing that? It's magic. I guess that has the mode built into it, so that's pretty cool. Apple Fresh, ooh, seal to it. Very nice. Oh wow, this is pretty dang cool. Okay, so this looks like part of the 360 cam here. It's got 2 lenses on each side, so this looks like it kind of builds out. We got this little base thing here, which looks like it's probably the battery pack itself. And then right here, wow, we got the camera, which is pretty cool looking. Look at this thing. Little plastic seals. Ooh, so refreshing. Lens size-wise, compared to this GoPro 9, it looks very similar, which is cool. Camera overall looks pretty nice. It looks like it has kind of this modular design to it, which is pretty cool. We'll go ahead and power it on right here. Okay, so I got the camera on the little pole here, and as you can see, I have the app running. Now what's interesting is if you look at the app over here and you watch me spin it, see how I can kind of spin the camera and it stays in the same spot? That is pretty cool right there. And then if you use the app, you can literally scroll around.